Hello friends, today we are going to see how you can record your computer screen for free. Let's say you want to make a video of your computer screen and share the video with others. So how do you record your computer screen? So after watching this video you will be able to record your screen and get the video file like this, which you can share with anyone. So let's get started. So to record our computer screen using an external application called Active Presenter software, this is the software we are going to use to record our screen. So to download the software, just click the link below this video and it will take you to this page. Just scroll down and here you can see that the software is available for both Windows and Mac. Since I'm using Windows, I'm going to download this. So let's click here and the software will be downloaded to your computer. Once you have downloaded the software, we can go to step 2, which is to install the software on your computer. So to install the software, just click here and click next, then again click next and finally click install. Now the software will be installed on your computer. Once it's done, click finish. So now we have successfully installed the software on our computer. Next, let's go to the third step, which is to record your screen using this software. So to record your screen, click record video and you will get this toolbar. Now before you start recording, first you need to choose the area you want to record. Now if you want to record the full screen of the computer, you can click here and it will record the whole screen. Now if you want to record only a particular area on the screen, click here and you will get this box. Now just click and drag the frame to choose the area you want to record. Now once you have selected the area which you want to record, if you want to record your audio along with your screen, just enable this. And if you want to show yourself on your screen recording like this, just enable this to record yourself using your computer webcam. So now once you have set this up, to start recording your computer, just click here and now your screen will be recorded. Now once you have complete recording your screen, to stop the recording, just click here to get the toolbar again and then click here to stop the recording. Once you stop the recording, it will automatically open the video you recorded in this window. Now if you click play, you can see the preview of your recorded video. So now we have successfully recorded our computer screen. Next, let's go to the final step, which is to save this video on your computer. So to save this video, just click export and then click video. Now in this box you can choose where you want to save the video file. So to choose the location, just click browse and select the place where you want to save the video. So I'm going to save it here and then click save and then OK, and you can see our video has been created. Once it's done, click yes, and you can see the video of your recording. And if we open the video, we can now see our screen recording. So this is how you can record your computer screen on your Windows 10 operating system. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video.